So today I have Kitten TTS, which is an open source text to speech model that runs entirely on CPU. So I'll test it on Google Colabs. So what step one that you're going to do is just click on this. I'll leave this link, repo link on description. Just click on this, open in Colab. It will spin up this notebook in Google Colabs. So from here we don't need to change the runtime. So the next step is going to be heading over and just clicking on run all. So Kitten TTS, just click on that, run all. So start going to spin the first cell, which install dependencies. Second cell imports and load the logic. And once we are done, the third cell is going to spin a Gradio UI. So we are using Kitten TTS, which requires no CPU and no GPU. It's CPU friendly and it's a state of the art model. And we utilize Gradio interface to interact with it on Google Colabs. So let's wait for it to spin up the cells. It's quite faster compared to Chatterbox TTS and I think Kokoro. So you'll run it on your side and tell me how it feels, but let's make the demo. It's running the second cell already. So wait the Gradio interface to load now. You can see the Gradio interface is loading. So it's just loaded the Gradio interface, but I don't like to use it from here. So I'm just going to click this link here. It will open it on a new tab entirely where we can interact with it. So Kitten TTS, which is under 25 MB and no GPU required. So here we insert the text, output will be here, and voice selection. There are 8 preloaded voices, and also you can change the speed here. So let's generate with the first voice. Hit generate. That's Jasper. Let's wait. The first time is going to take a while compared to the second and the other times you generate. So that's because we download the models on the first spinning up. So we can check here. We have some interaction on the back end, but yes, the voice has been generated. Let's play it.
Welcome to Kitten TTS, a lightweight text-to-speech model that runs entirely on CPU.
So that's Jasper. Let's try Bruno. Generate. Generating. So it's really good.
Welcome to Kitten TTS, a lightweight text-to-speech model that runs entirely on CPU.
So for a CPU model, I think that's a good, uh, good, good voice. So let me try to increase the speed here. Get around 1.2. Generate. And see what happens. Yes, I think it's done generating. Processing. But run this model on your side and tell me how it fares compared to Chatterbox and Kokoro and all that. So let's take a look at this.
Welcome to Kitten TTS, a lightweight text-to-speech model that runs entirely on CPU.
So what I've noticed about these text-to-speech models, if you're trying to increase the speed, you normally end up facing the you normally facing echo. You face echoes, yeah. You end up facing echoes. So that's it. I don't want to make the video long. Check this collab on I'll leave the link on description, and also kindly support this channel, and see you on the next one, guys. Peace out.